The Finch lands are really the epicenter of the park. They're really the geographic center, the biological center, the most sought-after conservation lands remaining inside the Blue Line, the 6 million acre Adirondack Park. The grand vision, the dream for this property is that we will capture in the conservation design the most important pieces biologically. There will be big, exciting additions to the Adirondack Forest Preserve with wonderful public recreational values. And there will be another large block of wildlands put under conservation easement and sold on the open market to timber investment groups that will continue as working forest.
When we think about forest conservation, protected lands and working forest lands often go hand in hand and complement each other. It's critical that we maintain working forest for the communities and the mill and the people who live here. Flying over the land is amazing. It is so big and so vast and so intact, you can just see natural processes happening as you're flying over the property. The way the wetlands integrate with the forest and the rivers and the streams all come together in a way that's quite special.